To improve the performance of Apex Legends, especially if you're experiencing low performance issues, follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Apex Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail. This can significantly improve frame rates and overall performance. Step 3. Optimize your PC settings. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed while playing. Additionally, consider adjusting your power settings to high performance in the control panel. Step 4. Check for system updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date. Go to the settings menu on your PC and check for any available updates. Keeping your system updated can help with compatibility and performance. Step 5. Monitor your hardware. Use monitoring software to check your CPU and GPU temperatures while playing. If they are overheating, consider cleaning your hardware or improving your cooling system. High temperatures can lead to throttling and reduce performance. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock better performance in Apex Legends and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.